Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and like. Now back to the news. Brad Pitt has launched a legal salvo to force Angelia Jolie to reveal just how many gagging orders agreements she has asked staffers to sign after she accused him of trying to use a draconian agreement to control her. The Oscar winners are mired in a years-long battle over their divorce, custody of their kids and their winery, Château Miraval. Earlier this week, Jolie made an explosive claim that Pitt had physically abused her more than the one time she had previously alleged, on a private flight in 2016, claiming there were other instances before that. She also alleged that Pitt had asked her to sign an NDA, a non-disclosure agreement, as part of an unconscionable attempt to control her during the negotiations of the sale of Miraval. It was because of this, she said, that she refused to sell her share of the estate to Pitt, and left her ex furious by instead selling her stake in the vineyard to Russian billionaire Yuri Shifler in 2021. On Friday, lawyers for Pitt retaliated by filing a motion asking Jolie to disclose other NDAs she entered into with third parties, including her own personal staff. His lawyer John Berlinski said in the legal papers, if Jolie conditioned her continued employment of an individual on that individual's agreement to an NDA, covering what they witnessed in her home, including her treatment of her children, and Pitt, that would be highly probative of whether she truly believed the provision requested by Pitt was an unconscionable gag order. The same is true with respect to any NDA between Jolie and any third party with whom she is in a relationship, or who has assisted with the care of the couple's children. To the extent that Jolie requested this third party's silence about her family or home life, particularly in a circumstance where there was no business justification, it would speak volumes about whether Jolie actually viewed Pitt's requested NDA, which was linked to the Miraval business, as the deal ender she subsequently alleged it to be. The court was shown an April 2021 letter from Jolie's legal team, which at the time included her own draft non-disparagement agreement, alongside a further letter from her U.S. divorce lawyers, 6 months after she pulled out of the sale of Miraval, which allegedly also suggested an even broader NDA, as part of her divorce from Pitt. Paul Murphy, Jolie's attorney, told Page 6, for Pitt to equate common NDAs covering confidential information employees learn at work, with him attempting to cover up his history of abuse, is frankly shameful. All she wanted was separation and health. She deserves peace after all these years. The latest chess move comes a day after Jolie claimed in legal filings that Pitt was abusive towards her prior to the now infamous 2016 plane incident that led her to filing for divorce.